Hey guys, welcome back to Little Lose Life. And today, sorry, I'm enjoying my squishy class. So, have you ever had fly blown up before? Best thing in the world. You can tell I'm leafy. Cheers. That was here, but sorry guys. I'm eating a piece of fried bologna. Yeah, guys, I'm leafy. And you can probably tell that because I was eating fried bologna. But guys, I'm gonna do my squishy collection, and I just started collecting these. I only have 4, but yeah. Oh my gosh, you already saw it. I almost saw them. But when I'm older, when I have like 100 squishies, I can just watch my sale. So it's gonna be like my first ever squishies. You didn't see it. Okay, guys. So we're going to be doing my least favorite to my favorite ones. So this is my least favorite. It's a burger, and I brought it to school, and at the back it turned blue and grayish, but you can't really see it. And yeah, it only has lettuce and meat on it. That's really good. Not even cheese. Then and it used to have sesame seeds on it, but it doesn't anymore. But it's really squishy and big, so I like the squish. It's really squishy. See, watch this, and big, but yeah, it's like not the best like art. So yeah, and at the right here, it's hard. Like it's hard right here. It's not even feel nice because it's so hard. Next one. Next one is this pineapple. Sorry guys, you're probably like, why do you like this one? It's nice and all, but look at it guys. It's so nice. Just kidding guys. I have 2 of the same ones, and I don't know what to decide if they're good, like the second best or not. So I'm just going to be showing you both. So this is the second favorite. Because this is a pineapple, and it squishes really nice. This is one of my favorites. This is actually one of my favorites. This should be blast. I'm just gonna not do it. This is one of my favorites, and this was like pineapples, and it's soft and soft, and that means like it's the best squishy ever. And I love soft and soft squishies. They're never gonna sponsor me, but you know I love them anyway. But it's really nice. So good. It smells like shampoo, and then yeah. But the only thing is it got a rip in it, a little bit, but I just don't because I had it for a long time. This is my first ever squishy. So now, but this is the next one. This is my second favorite. That was my favorite. But it's a this one I was looking for this so much, like for so long, and like I finally found it. So you can't really see sprinkles because it kind of looks ugly in the camera, but there's a bunch of sprinkles on it, which makes it nice. And yeah, this is a squishy, and this one's the newest one. No, because I got one at the same time. And then this one, the only thing I don't like, look at, it's not that so rising. It's not from Soft and Soft. But like I got it's not that soft rising. And when I got it, it was like ripped right here. But that's all that I don't like. But I like it's a donut. Like who doesn't like a donut? And it's really soft. Nah. But it's like really soft. So yeah. But the only thing when you squish it. But yeah, this is my favorite one. My 2 favorites. I couldn't decide. But this is a kissy emoji with a bite in it. And it's the softest one and the slow rising one I have. Like, look, it's even more than this one. And this is a soft and slow, guys. Wait, maybe, let's see. Soft and slow is better, because look, it's still rising at the back. Still. This is actually better, but yeah, this is really nice. This actually used to be a keychain, but I took it off because I didn't need to use it as a keychain. I didn't want to use it because I'm not going to keep it with this. So these are all my squishies. Bro, they're so nice. Guys, comment down below how many squishies you have, or if you have. I lost one. So I only got 3 now. The little baby. No. There's a burger in front of the camera. Where was it? Where is it gone?
What are you looking for?
I was trying my squishies up in the air. Did I just find it? God, I think I just found it. Nope, that's not it. Because I don't know where it went. How would it go that far? I only
Is it in the hallway?
No. How did it go that far? I didn't even throw it. I just threw it up in the air and didn't even throw it back.
Well, what are you looking for?
It's
Is it under that?
What, this?
Mm-hmm.
No, I checked it.
Like underneath.
No, I checked it. Like, how would it go that far? Can you see it?
No.
I checked everywhere that's
What does it look like?
It's the littlest one that has a kiss emoji face on it.
How big is it?
Well, it's like a little bit bigger, like this big. It didn't know it would go that far because it's foam. How would it fall down?
Move the brown thing and see if it's underneath.
No, it's not because look at. I already checked. You could just check under instead of move it. It's not under there. Ooh. Under the Guys, I cannot find it. Where is it? How did it go that far? I need to watch the footage again. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. Comment down below
I'll be right back.
how many squishies you have. No, because I don't know how to stop it and then put it back on and connect the videos.
Well, just say, I'll be back with a new video.
I'll be back with a new video. Bye.